Morning students, welcome to this new session. Today we are going to learn one of the chapter from geography section, that is soil. Soil plays a vital role in Earth's ecosystem. Once Mahatma Gandhi said, to forget how to tend the soil is to forget ourselves. So how much important this soil is? Let's Students, try this under your parents' supervision. Look at the diagram below. Figure 7.1 Soil Experiment. Take 3 flower pots of the same size. Then keep one pot empty. Fill the second pot with water after closing the hole at the bottom, and third pot with the soil. Put a few seeds in all of them. Now you can take any of the seeds mentioned here: Asadio, peas, gram, fenugreek, wheat, green gram, coriander seeds, etc. Keep all the 3 pots in the sun and water the empty pot and the soil filled pot for 4-5 days. Observe and answer the following questions. What happened to the seeds kept in the empty pot and the pot filled with water? Seeds kept in the empty pot and the pot filled with the water did not germinate. What happened to the seeds kept in the pot filled with soil? The seeds kept in the pot filled with soil did germinate, and a small saplings started to grow from it. And what do you learn from this? From this we learn that plants, to ensure growth, require soil. Soil is a very important element for growth of the seeds and plants. An important component of the living world on the earth is plants. For the production and growth of plants, soil is indispensable. Without that, it cannot grow. They provide support to plants. Vegetation is abundant in the regions that have fertile soil. Example, the equatorial regions. However, in the areas where the soils are not fertile, vegetation is scanty. Example, in desert region. And where is a shortage of soil, vegetation is not seen. Example, polar region. Through favorable climate, availability of abundant water and sunlight are necessary for the growth of plant. These alone are not sufficient. Fertile soils favor the plant growth. Now here, student, you have question. Think about it. First question here is, why do equatorial regions have fertile soils? Students, in this region, receiving high rainfall and experimenting high temperatures, the process of soil formation is faster. As the above climate conditions are found in the equatorial region, that is why soil formation process is faster in this region. Next we have here question. Why is the vegetation sparse in deserts or scanty in deserts? Vegetation needs fertile soil in order to grow. As the soil in desert regions are not fertile, vegetation is sparse here in the desert region. The importance of soil for agriculture. The production of crops, fruits and flowers in a certain region depends on the type of soil present in the particular region. Hence, the staple diet of a region is determined. Staple diet means main diet is determined by its local agricultural produce. Also, the regions with non-arable soil, that is soil which is not suitable for growing crops, need to import food to fulfill their food requirements, whereas the regions with the fertile or arable soil are self-reliant. Due to this reason, human settlements got concentrated in areas with fertile soils. Agro-based industries flourished in such regions, and they later showed signs of development. Now students, observe the map given in figure 7.2 in your textbook, and there are few questions. There are 5 questions, students. Which soil occupies most of the area in Maharashtra? See carefully. Soil. Which soil? Black soil occupies most of the area in Maharashtra. In which areas are laterite soils found? Laterite soil is found in Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg district. It is also found in major parts of Raigad and certain parts of Nashik, Pune, Satara, Sangli, Kolhapur and Gadchiroli districts. Next question here we have. Which soil is found in the river valleys of Maharashtra? Olive oil soil is found in the river valleys of Maharashtra. Which soil is found in parts of Sahyadri ranges? Yellow-brown soil, that is in hilly region, is found in parts of Sahyadri ranges. In which region is olive oil soil found? Olive oil soil found in Mumbai suburban district and Mumbai city district. Types of soils in Maharashtra. The 5 major types of soils in Maharashtra are as follows. COARSE soil. It is formed as a result of weathering and low rainfall and can be found in the hilltops of the western part of the plateau region, that is Ajanta, Balaghat, Mahadev Hills. The proportion of humus is negligible, means none in this soil. Next, second one is RECUR or black soil. The soil is found in areas of medium rainfall in the valleys and olive oil plains of river basins. Dark black soil found in the western part of Deccan Plateau and a medium black soil found in the eastern part, that is Vidarbha, are types of the RECUR soil. The proportion of organic component is less in this soil. Next we have laterite soil. This type of soil is formed due to erosion of the rocks in heavy rainfall due to the chemical reaction of the iron in the parent rock with the oxygen in the air. This rock gets reddish orange color. This type of soil is found in the coastal belt of Konkan to the west of the Sahyadris and in the east of Vidarbha. Next we have olive oil soil of the coastal strip. This soil is formed by the alluvium deposited by the rivers flowing in the Konkan region, which are short and flow with great speed. This soil is found at the mouth of the rivers in the western coastal stripe. Example, the areas around Panvel, Uran coast, then Dharamtar Creek, etc. Yellow-brown soil. These soils are found in the areas of extreme rainfall like Chandrapur, eastern part of Bhandara, the parts of Sahyadri mountains, etc. Since the soils are not very fertile, they are not useful for agriculture. That's all for today's session, students. We stop here. Complete the activity that is given at the end of this video. Thank you.